Welcome back to Allison and Emily's Toys Review. Today I have a super surprise for you in the blue dough. Can you guess what toy it might be? It's yellow. That's your first clue. Let's see if you guessed right by the end of the video. Allison,
what's in the microwave? Okay, open it.
uh-oh. I open it. Disney Pint-Sized Heroes. Legos. Who here loves Legos? Comment below. She decided to be a big girl and do it all by herself. Can she do it? Let's see. Nope.
Huh?
Nope. You got it wrong.
I got it wrong way.
Nope.
Huh?
You got it wrong.
Come on. Come on. Look how she went. Push it down. Then here's the body. Body. Here, put this in here. Can you guess what's in the bowl, everybody?
Let's do the front.
Yeah!
One more Lego. Batman.
more. Comes with a stand. Put him here. Yay! And little cute little penguin. See him? Now it's time to see what's in the gray. Open it. Take it all off. It's a minion! If you know his name, comment below. Which minion is this one? There he goes. He's so happy he is out of the clay. There's a minion. Yum, yum, yum. No more clay for me. So we have Trillium Dog, Buzz Lightyear, we have Mini Guitar, ding ding ding. We have no! Quite destroyed. We have Batman.